Affiliate marketing. Do you know that you can earn a living just by doing affiliate marketing? Do you know that it's a business that does a lot of marketers in it? Most importantly, do you want to begin affiliate marketing so that you can be one of those that are earning huge amounts of money from affiliate marketing? Hello, we thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Hardcore Reviews, where we research on different products and give you our well-informed research facts on different products from different niches so that you can make a concrete decision on whether to buy the product or not. Feel free to suggest on other products you want us to review. So in this video, I present to you a course on affiliate marketing. Now what you have to understand is that when we're talking about affiliate marketing, there are two groups. The affiliate marketers that make sales and that make profits. And there are affiliate marketers that don't make sales. Ultimately, they don't make profits. Which group do you want to belong to? Well, knowing how smart you are, definitely I know you want to make sales, you want to make profits. So this is where this course comes in. What do you expect from this course? Why am I saying this course comes in to help you make more sales? Because usually most of affiliate marketers, they forget that they should be focusing on strategies that enable them to become successful. They just do things anyhow. They try to complicate things when the principles of affiliate marketing are supposed to be simple. The mechanics are still the same. Successful affiliate marketers use the same cheat sheets, affiliate strategies, and they generate them revenue over and over and over. They also don't focus on what works. Now this is where you're going to be different, because you're going to shift this change, you're going to shift this mentality. And this is what this course offers you. Remember, when you're doing affiliate marketing, the number one, the pillar of it all is the return on investment. You want to get products, you want to promote products that have a huge return on investment. You want to maximize the income that you're getting from the sales. So these are the things that we focus on, and these are the things that these other marketers, affiliate marketers on B who don't make sales, who don't make profits, focus on. Now for you, as a smart person, as somebody that is passionate about making profits, we are going to dive in this course, and then we're going to get more sales and more profits. So we're going to be in this part A of affiliate marketers that actually can earn a living from affiliate marketing because they're making sales. They know what to do, what affiliate marketing is all about, and how to really do the business. All the cheat sheets, all the strategies, all the principles that are involved, we're going to get in this course. There are a lot of questions that arise. Like, how do I maximize my income while minimizing my effort, I want to spend less time on creating these products or pushing these products, but I want to make a lot of profit. Man, that's crazy. But it's considerate, Everybody wants something that they can less spend up in terms of their energy, the effort, and make a lot of profit. There's certain factors that are at play and that you have to consider if you want to be successful. So with this course, you're going to understand modern conversion systems that are being used and that are actually leading to high conversions, high leads. You're also going to understand different monetization methods. Apart from that, you're also going to learn exactly how to put a heavy focus on the commercial value of your niche, because what I see with these affiliate marketers is that they get this, they get that niche, they get that niche, they get that niche. At the end of the day, the money also disappears. Nothing is accumulated. We don't want that. That's why this video course is there for you. It will help you make the right decisions, focus on the right niches. It also help you identify niches based on the return on investment and other crucial factors that are essential for success as an affiliate marketer. You're also going to understand the importance of modern affiliate marketing strategies. Now remember, I said we have the same mechanisms of affiliate marketing. We are in a world that is changing. Different niches require different approaches. We have to keep up with the trends, but the foundation still remains the same. So we'll give you the foundation of of affiliate marketing, as well as what is really trending. So when you incorporate that, what is trending sits on the foundation. The beauty of this course is that it's a step-by-step guide on how all these strategies, principles should be used, on how to really promote and earn revenue from affiliate marketing. They are well detailed steps. Who should buy this course? Or should you buy this course? This course is for those that want to know how affiliate marketing works. It is for those people that want to become successful affiliate marketers. And it is for those that have not been making sales, that have not been profiting from affiliate marketing, when there are stories and testimonies around to say people are making profits and revenues from sales. So things are about to change. And most importantly, this is for all those people that want the most return for every dollar they spend on their business. This course also comes with a number of bonuses, like the modern affiliate marketing strategies cheat sheet and the modern affiliate marketing strategies mind map. All these are for free once you buy this course. The modern affiliate marketing strategies resource guide, giving you all the information that you need for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. And by the way, no questions asked. When you purchase this course and then you find that it is really not for you, then within 30 days, you can ask for a refund and it will be given to you straight away. No questions asked. I see no risk in that, because at the end of the day, you get the value in it, but if you don't like it, you'll return it if you don't like it. So it's only for $24.95, $25. You need the knowledge. I see you on the other side as we talk about how much we make it and how progressive we make it. If you think you're ready to take your business to another level by increasing the traffic to your products or services, boosting your conversions, your leads, and ultimately increasing your sales, we have provided you with an encrypted, secure link you can use to purchase the product. So both of us, knowing how active scammers are out there, that is why we have ensured that the links we have provided are secure through testing them ourselves at hardcore reviews by purchasing the products and seeing if the products are legit or not. Remember, action beats inaction. You snooze, you lose. Now it's up to you.